How to contact Overeat support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact Overeat support directly from the app. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Overeats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders tab, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the orders tab, you can simply choose the order that you need to help with. And this is the fastest way to get support tied to a specific issue. And now here, once you open the order details, you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on get help or help with this order. And after that, you will see a list of common issues like missing items, late delivery, or refund request. Here, you can just tap on the issue that matches your problem and fill out any required info and just hit on submit. And after that, Uber Eats will usually respond within a few hours. But here, for the general questions or the past issue, you can just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the option labeled as help. And here you can see all the topics that you want to help with. No matter it's with account or payments, your orders, delivery and pickup basics, or reporting a map issue. But here, in some reason, you may also see a call support option. So there you can just tap on it to speak with someone directly. And that's it. That's how you can contact Uber Eats support. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.